Hey guys, welcome back to Sheeta's Marbles. If you're new, hey, click that subscribe button below. Today we are going over the portable blender that I just got in, and super excited because if you have seen my last video, which will be in the description box too, I gained some happy weight, and in the last video I tried a It Works juice cleanse that lasted 2 days. I've been trying to eat clean. I'm going to yoga soon, but I want to do smoothies more. And I had a regular blender. It's really messy, hard to bring to work. And then I got this bad boy, and it's a portable juice blender. And what we're gonna do is a super easy smoothie that I have done. It started in the beginning of the summer, and I want to get back to it again because it kept me energized, it kept me refreshed, and it'll be a good recipe, especially for your hot girl summer. If you want to get this portable juice blender, get it in the description box below. Comes with this. And it's in different colors. Mine is in this cute baby blue color. It's like eggshell blue actually. So this is how it comes in. So the cable is to charge it. It comes with like a cute little cup holder on top, but it's portable. So I'm going to start it for you here so you can even see. It has a countdown for you. You could do a 20-second countdown. It's similar to a blender. Don't touch the blades, common sense. Make sure it's tight so not everything bursts everywhere. So what's in a hot girl summer smoothie? You could do 1 or 2, it's up to you. Lime juice, and if you don't have lime juice, just cut your fresh limes and squeeze into it. You could do coconut water, but if you want to substitute the coconut water for a plant-based beverage, I suggest almond milk. Love almond milk. Fruits that I'm using, I suggest whatever you could get frozen is up to you. But I got my pineapple tidbits. I have my mango chunks here. You could squeeze a little bit honey if you want. I don't want honey in mine, but that's also an option if you want as well, if you need a little bit more sugar. If you're not into that sticky icky, then you could do brown sugar as well, which is a great substitute. I do have a defrost friendly microwave. A lot of people say you could defrost your fruit in the microwave. I have a speed defroster. It keeps it easy and keeps my day faster too. Okay, let's see how it tastes. So good, it's ridiculous. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Check out the full post on sheetasmarbles.net. Until next time, bye chica. And don't forget, I hope you have a great rest of your hot girl summer.